This video explains the working of our project lift control. Basically, our project consists of three circuits A, B and C. A corresponds to stop or go, whether the lift has to stop at a particular floor or it must go on. A takes input from the user, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Take input from the counter, that is A1, A2, which determines what floor the lift is at. And if the particular value of the input is high, then the lift must stop at that floor, otherwise it must not. The output from A goes into the up down counter. The other part is B, which is whether the lift has to go up or down. The logic of up down is if the lift is at a particular floor and the user presses a button of a higher floor, then it must go up. But if the button of lower floor is pressed first than the higher floor, then the lift must go down. It takes input from the user, that is these four floors, and input from the up down counter, which determines which floor the lift is at. The output of this goes again into the up down counter. The third part is updating the inputs. It's such that if a particular floor's value is high and lift reaches that floor, then after a particular amount of delay which is provided by this, which is kept as 8 seconds, the lift must go on. So what C does is it changes the value of D0 if the lift is at 0th floor from 1 to 0, so that this value changes and the value of stop go will change to go, so that lift will move on from that floor to next floor. Finally, all this is fed to the up down counter. A controls whether the counter has to stop, B controls whether it must count up or count down, C controls the continuity of the circuit. Now let's move on to the working of the circuit.
Red LEDs which you can see corresponds to the 4 floors. Now we are calling the lift at the 3rd floor, so the 4th LED is on. The left side of the display corresponds to which floor the lift is currently at. So we have called it at 3rd floor, so lift went from 0th floor to 3rd floor. Now we are calling it at the 1st floor, so it moves from 3rd floor to the 1st floor. It is waiting at 1st floor till the door opens and closes. After the door opens and closes, the red LED switched off. Afterwards, we called the lift on the ground floor and then we called it on 2nd floor. So it went to ground floor, it then went to the 2nd floor. Now it is waiting at 2nd floor till the door closes, and we have already called it at the 3rd floor, so it will first go to the 3rd floor, and afterwards we have pressed the 1st floor, so it will go to the 3rd floor first and then it will go to the 1st floor afterwards. It is waiting at 2nd floor now. The 3rd LED is on. As soon as the 3rd LED will switch off, it will move to the 1st floor. The 2nd LED is on, which corresponds that the lift is currently waiting at 1st floor. As soon as that LED switched off, it then moves to the ground floor, as we have called the lift to the ground floor. So this was the working of the circuit.